Here we go, Steph. Ready? Ready?
She already smelled it.
Or she smells her dogs.
She can't go off the porch. I won't be able to get her in the video.
Don't walk up that side.
Come on the porch.
There's the piss.
Oh yeah, she just went rude. Oh.
I can't get it. It's not on the video.
All the way down the steps.
It's not in the video, but
Watch your head.
There's nothing wrong with her head.
No, pee can fly.
Oh.
I said watch your head.
ew.
That is so much piss.
Alright, girl. Alright, girl. Girl. I missed you, girl.
Look at her. She's like, paralyzed on the ground. You're a happy girl.
I missed you. I miss you, girl.
Come on the porch. That's fine. We have to clean it anyway.
She's still peeing. She's peeing the whole day. Wow.
She's still peeing.
She's still whining.
She's still peeing everywhere. See, she's still peeing. Hi, Phil. How are you? I didn't smell the same probably. I know it smells probably.
The happiest crying on earth. I know.
Okay.
Has she gotten up?
She's crawled up. She gets up, she runs over, and then she goes right back and whines again.
Yeah.
She's like, you have to make up for that lost time petting me.
Seriously.
Okay, Phil.
Oh no, he says, let me up. I peed all over
I
the
can't let
place.
you get all
Oh.
on me. You're all peed.
You need to change and wash your clothes. It's so cute, it makes you want to cry. Clean yourself by me and then go back over and pee some more.
Her thing is all swelled up.
She wants to get it bad, but she wouldn't accept